Guys, so welcome back to another quick TikTok tutorial video. I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok search not working. So without any further delay, get started. First of all, we will open our TikTok mobile application from here. And now if I touch on the discover button at the bottom left, I type something that I want to search is. For example, if I am searching for cute cat videos, will show top user video sounds, hashtags, and whatever else. If you can't through the same process to search for something, then the TikTok app has an issue. Try closing the app and opening it up again. You can also try logging out of your account to see if it resolves the issue or not. Do that, just go back from here. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply have to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and you have to head towards settings and privacy. You have to scroll all the way down and there you can see the option of log out. You simply have to tap on this and then have to log out to your account. Once you have log out, you simply need to again log into your account and then your TikTok issue will be solved. But if unfortunately your app doesn't work properly, you simply have to force stop the app, and then for this purpose you have to exit out of the TikTok and open up the phone settings. Simply have to scroll down until you see the apps. You have to search for TikTok, and from here simply you have to go to and cache. Here you have to clear the storage and cache for TikTok, and then it will not affect your actual TikTok account, but it will delete all the draft and all of the files, so be aware of that. So once you have done that, go ahead and open up your TikTok app again and you will be able to use the search tool in whatever you are looking on TikTok. So guys, that's bring me in the end of the video. If you guys like this video, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.